Pag nag-swing siya papunta dito, mawawala yung potential energy, pero meron siya kinetic energy. So, yun ang condition din there. Pag pumunta dito, magkakaroon naman siya ng potential energy, pero mawawala yung kinetic energy. So, potential to kinetic, kinetic to potential, potential to kinetic, kinetic to potential. No. Energy, that's the principle that governs the motion of a simple pendulum. Okay? All of those are cases where you can use the work energy equation. Work energy equation. So any questions around use the work energy equation? As I said, whatever is the system, whatever is the situation, basta alam kong kunin naman ito. Ito ba? Limang quantities nyo. Total work done, initial potential energy, initial kinetic energy, final potential energy, final potential energy. Alam mo yung kung saan yung final at yung initial. You can always apply the work energy equation. Any quantity that is out there, maski na force that is acting, maski na final velocity, you can always determine it from there. And this is a more straightforward solution. Kasi wala nang free-body diagram na gagawin. Yung mga problems na we are solving can be solved using Newton's second law themselves. But if you use Newton's second law, kaya ng free-body diagram, you should know the forces. Show all the forces that are acting. Dito, wala na. Akunin ko lang yung mga quantities there. Okay? What is the third quantity there? The third quantity is power. What is power? When do you say you have power?